Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too.
What is wrong with you? Problem. Yo, pull the f*** over. Pull the f*** over.
What the f*** are you doing?
About 6 miles after I got onto the highway, I was just driving along and noticed a strange sound coming from the engine. I started paying attention to what was going on, looked at the dashboard. The dashboard didn't have any warnings on it or anything, but as I looked, I noticed the oil temperature was 275. And then I looked at the oil pressure and I watched the oil pressure go from like a concerningly low 23 psi, and it dropped to 0. The engine shut off and the car started smoking. Pulling the footage, I filed a claim from Toyota, and they've been handling it since then. They've investigated the car. They're saying they'll contact me in another week or two.
Let fucking go or something, dude. Thank you. And I'm done.
Process and another from Pet Shop Boys tomorrow. So thank you very much, John. It's going to be a very interesting theme Thursday, all revolving around money. That's tomorrow, 6 p.m. Eastern.
Okay.
All the videos are gone. All the count's still there, but the videos are gone. Hasn't posted in, I'd say, 6-7 years. garment.
Come on. What are you fucking doing?
Just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old cotton fields back home. What the fuck are you doing?
Only in here 15 minutes before the tractor calls me up. Right.
My God.
What?
You're dumb.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.